Hey friends, Lauren here from Sephora downtown Portland. Today I'm bringing you guys my morning routine using all clean skincare. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, let's get clean with some clean skincare. The first product I'm using is my Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. One pump is all you need. I like to massage it onto dry skin first and then add water as I go to get a good lather. This cleanser is a true multitasker. It's a gentle brightening cleanser packed with great ingredients like strawberry seed oil and tomato extract. It's great for removing makeup, and you can use it as an exfoliating mask to help smooth uneven texture and minimize pores if you leave it on for about 5 minutes. Now that the cleanser is all lathered up, I'm going to gently remove it with a face towel, but at home I would definitely rinse it away. Next, I'm using Tatcha's The Essence Plumping Skin Softener. I'm pouring about 4 to 5 drops of this essence into my hands. I like to take my time and press this into my skin and neck. This is going to help smooth, plump, and hydrate my skin, which is amazing. This essence is great because it helps drive all of my other skin products deeper into my skin, making their benefits even more effective. Next up is eyes. Core Organics Noni Radiant Eye Oil is what I'm using. I think this eye oil is pretty amazing. It has a rose quartz roller ball. That's awesome, you guys. When applying, I like to use a slight amount of pressure, moving the roller in a circular motion to help with any fluid buildup under my eyes. When using this, it feels like my under eye is getting a massage. This oil helps with all under eye concerns. It softens fine lines, reduces dark circles, firms, and helps with circulation to reduce puffiness. And then I'm just tapping the rest of the product in to make sure it's all absorbed. Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum is my new skincare love. I like to use about 2 to 3 drops, warm it in my hands, and press it into my skin and neck. I love the immediate radiance I see in my skin after using this serum. At first glance, the consistency looks like an oil, but it's actually a lightweight concentrated liquid designed to brighten, resurface, hydrate, and smooth the skin with awesome ingredients like natural vitamin C from the pineapple juice, hence the name and packaging, aloe, and AHAs. Now I'm using Go-To Face Heroes oil. In most cases, you would use your oil on top of your moisturizer to lock in all of the moisture and hydration from your products, but this oil was designed to be used underneath your moisturizer. Using about 3 to 4 drops, I also like to warm this in my hands and press it into my skin and neck. Even though this oil is made up of 10 botanical oils, it's extremely lightweight and it absorbs into the skin super quick. I personally like this oil because it's deeply moisturizing and very soothing. Next, I'm using Drunk Elephant's Proteini Polypeptide Moisturizer. This moisturizer is great because one pump gives you a pre-measured amount. Proteini is packed with protein to help boost my skin's tone, texture, and firmness. I like to slowly massage it into the skin to make sure I'm hydrated all over. To finish off my morning skin routine, I'm spritzing my face and neck with Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Sun protection is a must. So spray, and spray away. I really like to use this SPF in the morning right after applying my skincare routine because it's super lightweight. Don't forget, you should be applying your SPF throughout the day, and it is a setting mist, so you can spray it over your makeup. All right, you guys, there is my morning skincare routine. In the comments below, let me know what skin products you like to use. Until next time, bye!